through the recording. Hello everyone, I'm here in the Algarve, near Albufeira, and I went to here because I'm going to buy a camping tent, and I want to film in Algarve, and yes, I have the camping tent to make my campings. Okay, see you later. Oh, so hot. What the fuck, man? It's horrible. It's horrible. Let's film. Okay, let's drink water. That's good. Oh, it's so hot, you don't imagine. In Portugal it's 8 or 88.
In Alentejo, it's worst. Very worst. My footage with the Insta went wrong. I put the parameters all wrong. Bolas. Shit. And I have to stop filming with the drone. I have been attacked by birds. Seagulls, I think is the name. I hope I record the attack. Let's go to Videira.
For the sake of love, I've been trying to reveal it, what I've been so afraid of. Your coldness makes my heart go weak, so numb that I can barely speak. This pain keeps water in the sea. If I weren't so desperate to be free, I'd keep my distance, babe. The more that I know about you, the more that I want you, baby. They say that good love will yield the best from me. I know it to be true. This moment won't last forever. No remedies whatsoever. These feelings we choose to pass on for lesser love. You know it to be true. I'm lost in a manic dream. It weighs on me endlessly. Your tenderness drifts in the wind. The depth of your love is a sin. I'll keep my distance, babe. It's all by design, blinded in the fog of love. Why don't you tell me, baby? What are you dreaming of?
Okay, back in Vidigueira after an eventful day. Oh my god. Got my camping essentials in the Albufeira and I enjoyed Nossa Senhora da Rocha despite the unexpected drone attack by SEAGULLS in Portugal, but everything gone well. I am exhausted but completely satisfied. But this is what is all about. And remember, life is a journey, ride it. And you, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and give me a big thumbs up, and see you in the next video.